this pressure in my vessel, so I pop. Got me thinking about being what I'm not. Got me questioning my dreams. Do I even got a shot? God done left me on scene when I asked him for the plot. Indecision steady creeping in the daily thoughts. All my voices steady ringing, screaming you a fraud. Just for peace of mind, I pay a deadly cost. Who really praying? All they saying is you gotta be strong. Where is the part of me who still believes? These days it's hard to see. No, I can't see what you're fighting for. Against all odds, oh, could you be strong? Show you belong. What you're fighting for. Against all odds, oh, could you be strong? Show you belong. Never like pretty lies, but I let my ugly hide. Between the lines, must be where the truth reside. Me and Lady Luck broke up a couple years ago. She was pointing out my flaws and wanna hear it though. Bruised ego, still trying to play the hero. Brushing off criticism with sentiments of what does she know. Deep inside, it's slowly burning his soul. As in his mind, that reflects all that he won't show. Where is the part of me who still believes? These days it's hard to see. Oh, it's so hard to see. What you're fighting for. Against all odds, oh, could you be strong? Show you belong. What you fight.
Taking you in this moment, come get close like you own name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens, it's been me you'll be searching. Take a load off and your clothes off, just relax, you deserve it. You keep me up at night, got you all on my mind. Seem like that's hard to find when they keep playing games. Gazing into my eyes, give me them butterflies, take me from.
I am pretty much ready to leave for the photo shoot. I've got all my jewellery on. Basically, we're meeting at South Kensington Station, and then I think we might be moving around a bit from there. I think it's around 9 o'clock now. I need to leave by like 9:25, so I'm just gonna have some breakfast before I go. She's so pretty. I'm so excited to finally say that me and my friend Amy have been working on a jewellery collaboration with En route. We both helped design all the pieces, which includes necklaces, earrings and rings, and now they're all out for you guys to buy. Our biggest inspiration for the collection came from the idea of two best friends, with one who wears gold jewellery and the other who wears silver, like me and Amy. So the collection has pieces in both gold and silver, and there's a piece which is a mix of gold and silver if you're one of those people who can never decide if you're a gold or silver girl. The piece is also really complimentary for you and a friend to wear, like these heart rings that fit together, or there's matching gold butterfly rings. We also took inspiration from some new jewellery trends that we both really like. So like daggers, sort of carabiners, the like dripping jewellery style, and also some classic butterflies and hearts. I've had so much fun working with En route to put out these pieces with Amy, and now they are all out for you guys to buy so you can match with us. You can shop the collection from the link in the description, with everything priced under £30. We're about to change. We've taken a lot of photos in these outfits and with silver jewellery. Now we're going to change it into gold and take some more. So the photo shoot is all done now and I'm on my way home. It went really well. The photographer was so lovely and I just had a great time with Amy. Took lots of great photos of the jewellery. I'm not sure when I'll get them, but I can't wait to see the photos. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed. As I said, this whole collection has been so much fun to design with Amy and en route. I hope you guys like the jewellery too, and if you want to check it out, the link is in the description with everything priced under £30.